Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You've logged into Mt5. Now act. Open the Tools menu and choose Options, then switch to the Trade tab. You want to target the one-click trading control. That checkbox enables instant market orders. Once located, uncheck it to stop single-click execution immediately. Do this because one-click bypasses confirmation dialogues and causes accidental fills. Make sure you perform this on the profile you use for live trading. Different profiles can remember different settings. Once you've unchecked the option in Options, continue by removing the one-click UI elements. Right-click the main toolbar and hide the one-click trading button. This prevents accidental clicks. Then open any chart, right-click the trade panel and deselect one-click trading there as well. Some charts keep their own state. You're doing both because the option and the UI control can act independently. After you change both, try a harmless left click on the chart to confirm no instant order appears. Finish by restarting Mt5 so settings fully apply. Once done, test with a click. There should be no instant order. If a trade still executes, check for running expert advisors, scripts, or custom one-click panels and disable them. These can override platform settings. Make sure auto trading is off and, as a last step, remove or rename the template that loads chart panels. If problems persist, reset the platform profile and repeat the steps. That usually clears hidden custom interfaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.